Understanding Noise Immune, a guide to complex English phrases. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English phrases, specifically focusing on noise immune. This phrase might sound complex, but by the end of this video, you'll understand it perfectly. Noise immune is a compound adjective composed of two parts, noise and immune. Let's break it down. Noise refers to unwanted sound or disturbance. Immune suggests being unaffected or resistant to something. So, when we say something is noise immune, we mean that it is not affected by noise or can operate effectively despite noise. You might hear noise immune in contexts like technology or communication. For example, a noise immune microphone can capture clear sound even in noisy environments. In technical settings, we might talk about noise immune systems that maintain performance despite background noise. Understanding this phrase can help you comprehend and use technical English more effectively. Exploring similar phrases helps in understanding. Noise resistant. Similar to noise immune but suggests reducing the impact rather than being completely unaffected. Noise proof. Implies total protection from noise. These subtle differences can be crucial in precise contexts. That's all on noise immune. Remember, understanding such phrases enriches your English vocabulary, especially in technical or specialized fields. I hope this video helps you on your language learning journey. Stay curious and keep learning.